how to fix Facebook download your information. In today's video guys, we will talk about how to fix this problem on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your device. Then you will find apps option, click on it, and here search for Facebook. Click on Facebook also and scroll down and click on storage. On storage now, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click on force stop, click OK, and what you should do right now guys, go to notifications option, you have to disallow it and allow it again, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you another